friends. Yesterday, we talked about how to find the area of a parallelogram. And remember, the formula for area of a parallelogram was just base times height, right? The base times the height. But we had to think about a few things, which is the base. And then remember that height number should have a 90-degree angle in there. If our parallelogram is like flat across the ground and this is the base, that height would be somebody standing on the other side, dropping a rock straight down, not the side, the height. So here is an example, and you guys, we're going to continue working with these today. We're going to do a little bit more exploring, I guess. You're going to continue working with area of parallelogram, but this time maybe you're going to use fractions or decimals, or you're going to find it in a word problem, that kind of thing. So we're going to roll through a couple together, and then you'll get a few as you go through today. Okay, so here we go. We've got this parallelogram, and you'll notice it's not like this. It's not like sitting flat on the ground like the other ones we've looked at, but I see this 90-degree angle right there. So either in your head, you can imagine that it turned, and that's that height that dropped the rock straight down, or I can just think, okay, this is going to be my base. And because I've got the 90-degree angle there, I know that that is my height. So remember, base times height. So I'm going to say 9 1/4 times 4 to get my answer here. But remember, how do we multiply fractions? Shoot. Well, a couple of things here, guys. I've got a mixed number, which is goofy. I could do 9 times 4 and then 1/4 times 4, or I can turn this whole thing 9 1/4 into a mixed number, which is what I'm going to show you real quick right now. So 9 1/4, I would write, sorry, not as a mixed number. It already is a mixed number, as an improper fraction. I would write this as an improper fraction by doing 9 times 4 is 36, plus that one extra piece is 37. So 9 1/4, I could write as 37/4 times 4. And because I'm multiplying fractions, I'm going to turn that 4 into 4/1. It's still 4, still the number 4, but that helps me kind of see it as a fraction. Okay, remember earlier this week, you either have heard me talk about it before, or I introduced you to one of your very best friends, cross multiplying. Look, I can do it right here. And if I do it there, then I don't even have to figure out what 37 times 4 is, because it won't matter, right? I can reduce, or sorry, not cross multiplying, cross reducing. I can reduce right here, okay? 4 goes into 4 one time, 4 goes into 4 one time. Now when I'm multiplying, I'm doing 37 times 1. I like that math way better. And then 1 times 1 on the bottom. So that's the same as 37 feet squared. Okay, I'm going to look at the beginnings of this next problem with you, and then you're going to finish the problem on the next slide. Here we go. This time they gave us the area. So they said the area of the parallelogram here is 288 inches squared. They gave us the base of 24, and you are needing to find the height. They've already kind of set it up for you. We wrote the equation, and instead of, they wrote the equation right here, area is base times height. Instead of popping in the base and the height, we popped in the base and this area. And so then to solve that, 288 equals 24 times some number. That's a division problem. So they've got that all set up for you. On the next slide, you are going to finish this problem. We're going to roll through some other situations with area of a parallelogram. I might pop in once more for a teeny tiny video, but you're just applying what we've done before. Don't forget, you can always come to me for help in office hours or email me and we can find another time. Oops.